Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge Honda Civic AC. First, ensure you have an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves ready. These items are essential for a safe and effective process. Next, find the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC line, usually marked with an L. Finally, start your car and turn the air conditioning to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Now, let's connect the kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Before adding refrigerant, check the pressure gauge on the kit. This will give you an initial reading of your AC system's current pressure. Remember to shake the refrigerant can well for about 1 minute to ensure the contents are properly mixed. With the kit connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Release the trigger and check the gauge. Rotate the can periodically from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock to help the refrigerant flow. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge to ensure you do not overcharge the system, which can cause damage. Once the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Now, it's time to test your work. Check the air coming from your vents to ensure it's cold and consistent. If your AC performance hasn't improved, or if you notice any unusual noises, it's best to consult a certified mechanic for a thorough inspection. Enjoy your newly recharged AC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.